scene. So, Jennifer, let me ask you this. I've said this all last week, and I want to take a step back here. I find that if the jury believes that Erica Stefanko did this, she calls the 911, she calls Domino's, that this could have been the sloppiest crime I've ever seen. In the sense that you're calling Domino's to lure the victim out. You're already incorporating a third party. We know that the pizza manager, the Domino's manager, testified about what he saw and heard. And you lure to this abandoned property. The police, through the evidence, through the back trail, through finding these phone records, they easily tracked down Chad Cobb. I want your perspective on what this plan was and how it was carried out.
Well, I mean, I agree. It was very poorly done, but a lot of these crimes are poorly done because this is something that's very unusual for people to do. I mean, to embark in something so violent and so terrible, it takes a lot of lack of empathy and caring to do this to someone. So when you work yourself into such a state that you can actually carry something like this out, I don't know how much time you spend, really thinking about all the details, but yeah, the trail from the pizza place to the crime scene was just, I mean, it's hard to miss that. So it makes you wonder how much they thought this out, or if they just sort of did it a little more spur of the moment without any planning, because that's certainly what it looks like.
Well, that becomes the question. I do want to get into that a little bit more, but let's talk more about Christopher Mike Stefanko, really the big witness that testified last week, one of the last witnesses that'll be on the